You're losing testosterone every single day. And the worst part, you don't even feel it slipping away. Science shows men's levels drop about 1% every year. Sounds small, right? But add that up and by your 30s, 40s, or 50s, you're not even close to the man you once were. And here's the truth. This single hormone shapes everything. Your muscle size, your bone strength, the sharpness of your jawline, even the drive that gets you out of bed and chasing goals. Without it, you're just a shell of yourself. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the silent killers of testosterone that you're probably doing every single day. And more importantly, how to flip the switch and rebuild your levels naturally. Stay locked in, because if you care about your body, your energy, and your future, you need this. Silent testosterone killers. Number 1, sedentary lifestyle. Picture this. Most guys today spend hours lying down, scrolling, gaming, or sitting in front of screens. When your body sees no movement, it literally gets the signal. We don't need muscle. We don't need strength. We don't need testosterone. Compare that to the past, where men walked miles daily, lifted, hunted, worked physically. Today, cars and chairs do all the work. Movement is nature's trigger for testosterone. Stop moving, and you tell your body to shut it down. Number 2, overstimulation and pornography. Endless dopamine hits from porn and compulsive habits keep your brain in a constant low-drive state. Your body loses the hunger to pursue real goals, real women, real success. There's a myth floating around that it boosts testosterone. Wrong. Just look at the men stuck in the cycle. They're drained, foggy, unmotivated. If you want your drive back, you need discipline here. Number 3, heat. Your testicles aren't outside your body for no reason. They need to be cooler to produce testosterone. But modern life, tight jeans, hot showers, laptops on your lap. It's like you're cooking them daily. That heat destroys production. Solution: sleep in loose clothes, avoid long hot baths, and keep electronics away. Number 4, plastics. Most plastics are filled with chemicals like BPA, and here's the scary part, they mimic estrogen once inside you. More estrogen automatically means less testosterone. That plastic water bottle, that microwave container, slowly feminizing you. Store your food and drinks in glass or steel instead. Number 5, junk food. Sugar, seed oils, and processed carbs aren't just bad for your waistline. They spike insulin, create inflammation, and kill testosterone. Even worse, excess fat tissue converts testosterone into estrogen, which means the more fat you gain, the less man you become. How to rebuild testosterone naturally. Now here's the good news. You can take back control. Let's break it down. 1, diet. Think of testosterone like a building. It's built on 3 pillars: zinc, magnesium, vitamin D. Zinc, eggs, red meat, pumpkin seeds. Magnesium, nuts, dark chocolate with at least 90% cocoa. Vitamin D, the best source isn't food, it's sunlight. Just 15 minutes of morning sun transforms your levels. 2, training. Lifting weights is powerful, but if you want the extra edge, you need explosive training. Sprinting, jump squats, hill runs. Ever notice sprinters look like Greek statues while joggers look soft and chubby? That's not a coincidence. Do 3 rounds of 30-second sprints, rest 2 minutes, and watch your testosterone spike. 3, water quality. Tap water today is polluted with chemicals and microplastics that mimic estrogen. That's poison for testosterone. Get a quality filter or stick to clean bottled mineral water, and never store it in plastic. Use glass or metal. 4, stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, and cortisol is testosterone's enemy. Every time you're stressed, you're stealing resources from testosterone. The fix? Train, meditate, walk, breathe. A single solid gym session can cut stress by nearly half. 5, purpose. This might be the most powerful one. Men without a goal, without a mission, collapse. Stress, depression, emptiness, all crush testosterone. But when you wake up every morning with a purpose, building your body, your career, your legacy, your body responds. Motivation rises, testosterone rises. So here's a challenge. Pick one high-income skill, learn it for the next 6 months, and watch your life transform. Testosterone isn't just a hormone, it's the foundation of who you are as a man. Ignore it and you'll feel weaker, softer, more lost every year. Protect it, rebuild it, and you'll unlock energy, strength, and drive you didn't even know you had. If you want more science-backed breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because this is just the beginning.